Christy, can I talk to you for a sec?
Can I talk to you?
Felix, I said not right now.
Can I talk to you?
Can I talk to you?
Sorry, can I talk to you about something?
Lana, can I talk to you? Hey,
Can I talk to you for a minute?
Hey, buddy, can I talk to you for a minute?
Hey, can I talk to you?
Can I talk to you?
Yeah.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Hey, can I talk to you for a second?
Okay, can I talk to you outside for a second? Can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you privately?
Listen, can I talk to you for a second?
Can I talk to you for a minute?
Can I talk to you? Yeah.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, what's up?
Can I talk to you for a second?
Please.
Ooh, can I talk to you privately about something in private?
Hey, Dina, can I talk to you for a minute outside?
Can I talk to you for a minute?
Can I talk to you for a second?
Hey, Josh. Can I talk to you for a second?
Thank you. Can I talk to you about something really quickly?
hey, can I talk to you for a second, Molly? Come through here real quick.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah?
Before y'all pack up your stuff, can I talk to you for a minute?
Hey, can I talk to you about something?
Sure.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Sure.
Babe, can I talk to you just for a second outside? Can I talk to you upstairs? There's something.
Jim, can I talk to you for a minute?
It's important, Chuck.
Hey, can I talk to you?
Talk.
Dr. Brader, can I talk to you for a minute? Of course. Excuse me.
Can I talk to you for a second there, Cosmonaut?